DAZE Messenger app. So here is the app called DAZE Chat, or like freeform chat. Pretty popular app these days. It's started in the top charts of social networking. This is a new messenger chat app. And here you see how it works. You just add in your friends. So you just create an account. You don't need an invite code. And then you have this pretty cool, very visual messenger. However, yeah, this app is quite buggy right now. So as you can see, that's just what it is. So now you have this, and then you have some other people. So then you can just go and message people here just like that. And you can see this is the very visual messenger. Like you can just send a message, then you can just move it around. So, and then you can change the font, the like color, the background, and then you just moving it. And you know, your messages are not boring anymore. It's not like just sending messages in iMessage. Here you're just moving them around. You add in images, you add in gifts, and you just so, and then you can just, yeah, it's very visual. So if you like more visual style of messaging, that's basically how it works. And this is kind of like your palette, your painting, where you add in a lot of these different messages. And yeah, that's basically how it works. You have then you can just add friends. You have your account, you can delete it, you can add your links, and that's basically where you have it. So that's basically the idea here. And yeah, so that's about it.